Okay. So we're here on November 30th, and this is the day that I'm driving out to Xining, taking Jack. And Jack and Coco are getting the morning sermon from Pep. Having coffee at Pep's house. And he's explaining the day's events to Jack and to Coco. Jack needs to be told today what will happen. So you're explaining to him what's going to happen today? Is that right, Pep?
What can do, what can't do.
Well, what you can do, we'll go through the rules of the house.
Can't climb on the table.
No table climbing.
Can't eat ball pens.
Can't eat ballpoint pens.
Can't destroy slippers and shoes.
Ah, right, of course. You can't
destroy. Can't be on the floor.
Right. No peeing.
Everything else is free.
Everything else is okay. Great. So I just add something to the sermon. Jack, today we're going to be driving out to Xining. It's probably going to take us about 2 days to get... Jack, can you listen to me? Don't yawn. Jack, it's going to take us about 2 days to get out there. And so after we go for the walk and have the pee and the poo-poo this morning, Jack, look here. Jack, stop looking over there. We're going to get in the car. We're going to drive. It's going to be a long day, probably 12 hours today, and probably another 12. Jack, are you looking at me or at Pep? Jack, look at me. And so then tomorrow, we'll probably in the evening, we'll get there if the weather's... Jack, look at me. If the weather's good and there's no traffic, okay? So I just want to tell you, you'll be sitting next to me. Jack, look at me. Jack. So rude, Jack. All right, forget it. I've already told you what we're doing, Jack. Now you know. Don't pee in the car.